Hello, this is Reverend Ken Wilcox, and thank you for exploring our YouTube page. What you're going to find here are videos that will uplift, inspire, and encourage you. Videos that speak about a God of our understanding, a God that won't insult our intelligence. Here at the Center for Spiritual Living, we believe we're in life so that we can experience a co-creation with God to bring about the good of our life, our health, our love, our joy, and prosperity. We are here so Spirit can awe us with how much it supports us to make the world a better place for our having been in it. Our videos will focus on the power of affirmative prayer, praying as Jesus did, not begging and pleading to a distant deity, but announcing our good to a receptive power. Our lives are not problems to be solved, they're miracles unfolding. And these videos will give you the courage and conviction to become the miracle God is calling you to be. Now be sure to like our videos, to share them, and to subscribe. And thank you for spending time with us today. Welcome home.